GBC versus Tinago. Ala!
Torneo Mega Vivos Yamson Tolanyo Jack by Torneo Yamson again to Labrador Nakakajito Bigaman to Katibe Springboard Yamson drop Nakakajito Bigaman
Hindi naman ka-receive si Kuan. Ala Jokoy. Touch na. Matingin. Sige,
boy, okay na ka boy. Service National High School. Ah, that's a violation. It's outside, so powerful. Number 7, serving. Nice, good. Please, first ball. That's not such a violation. Wow. 7, still serving. Oh. Itabo, first ball, set. To Mones, attack, drop it. Set, oi. Set, attack by Mones, drop it, outside drop it. No, serving. Set. Just imagine that attack, serving. First ball, is set, attack by Mones, good. Oh, set. That is so good. Serving. Set again and attack. Wow, yes. That's a violation, backliner. Serving, set. That's good. Drop it. Score. Attack serving. Service out. First ball, set. Attack. That's so good. That's so minimal. Serving to well. 6 serving. Bigaman. Mecca. Drop it. Shot so good. Accelerate. Permanijo. Serving. First ball. Serve. Serve. Attack by Labrador. That's a block error. Score 15-13. Attack Mecca. First ball. Set. Attack by... Wow! That's a smooth attack. Inside according to the professional line judge. First ball by Gianna. Set. Attack by... Wow! That's a smooth attack also. Wow! That's a powerful service. Score 14, serving 16. Wow, that's so good. First ball, set by Ace, Gianna. The receive, descent, attack by Labrador. Inside. According to... First ball, descent, attack by Gianna. That's a net touch violation. Next position. Outside. Gisette. Quick attack by Flores. The first ball. Gisette. Attack by Moniz. Still serving. First ball. That's a... Attack by Kingston. And then Flores still serving. First ball, set attack by Muniz. Wow! That's perfect na siya. Muniz ang tubunan na niya. Gianna free ball. Opportunity. That's 21, serving 19. Attack by... perfect. Gianna serving. First ball. Gisette attack by Muniz. Drop it. Bikatigbi attack by Mecca. Drop it. Net touch violation. First ball. Gisette. Drop it. Set, attack, disconnected. Set, attack, Mecca, under the net. The first ball, Gianna set, Bikatigbi attack by Ace. Wow. Set, nisod siya. Katigbi, Mecca, drop it. Treble. Chance ball. So, Katigbi, attack. Perfect! That's so quick. First one. Service ace! First ball. Gisette. Attack by the backliner. Go! Service. Mecca. That's a... First ball by Gianna. Set Bigaman. Attack by Katigbi. That's her black.